As you said in the title, this video is going to be about me showing you what parts I'm running on my bike. Let's get right into that. So let's start with the top and the front of the bike and move our way backwards. For grips, I ride some with the people's remote grips. I really like them. I've tried 3 separate pairs of them and I really love them. Let's move down here on the handlebars. For the handlebars, I'm riding some Colony Bloody Oath bars. They are 9 inches rise. So let's move to the stem. I'm riding the Salt Pro top load stem. Down here for the headset, I'm using a Eclat Wave 16 headset. It's really amazing, it spins good. Let's move down here to my fork. For fork, I'm riding Animal Street IC4. They are 26mm tip. Good for nose manuals and that kind of stuff. Up here for tires, I ride the Colt X-Vans tires. They're amazing, they do the job almost for everything. Park, street, trails, you know. So moving in the front wheel. For the hub, I ride with the people Helix hub. For the spokes, I ride some Cinema spokes, I don't know. And moving down here to the rims, I'm riding some Cult Match V2 rims. So moving up here in the main compartment of the bike, for the frame, I ride a Cult Too Short frame. I really love it. The top tube is 20.75 inches long. The chainstay is 12.5 inches long. Really short chainstay, good for 360s, spin tricks in general. Moving our way up here in the seat post is the Federal Stealth 2 seat post. It's really good, it's big enough. Right here we have a little light for emergency situations, you know, those dark nights. Up here we ride an Eclat OZ fat seat. Amazing seat. I'm really into the fat seats, not the slim ones. Also down here for the bottom bracket, I ride the BSD mid bottom bracket in black. And coming down here, I ride a Colt Duck guard sprocket. Really love guard sprockets because they protect your chain with this fat metal piece. For the chain, I ride Salt AM chain. Not something special, but it's really cheap and it's really good. So moving to my cranks, I ride some Animal Akibo cranks. Really amazing. They are 175 centimeters long. Moving right here to the pedals, I'm riding some With the People's Logic pedals. They're really good and durable. And last but not least, we're moving in the back end of the bike. And for a rear wheel, I'm riding Cinema ZX Cassette pack wheel in black. That's a budget wheel if you want to buy it. I like the sound of the cassette that it makes. It also comes with 2 hub guards. And finally, right here for the pegs, I'm riding 4 metal BSD crack pipe pegs. I really love metal pegs because I'm a street and technical rider, and I like more that style of the peg chains and peg bombs, all that kind of stuff. So yes, that was it. So thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. And the thing I have to say is a big apologize and a big sorry on my uploading schedule. I know it's crap right now, it's fucking hard also for me to keep my uploading schedule and keep uploading something entertaining. So yes, a big sorry for me. By the way, I hope you liked this video, so leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, peace.